Meaning of demote.
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 Demote. The word demote means to lower someone's rank or position in an organization or group. This can happen due to poor performance, budget cuts, restructuring, or any other reason. The result of demotion could lead to a decrease in pay, loss of benefits, and less responsibility. It can also negatively affect the individual's self-esteem and motivation to perform well in their job. When someone is demoted, they may also lose respect from their colleagues and may have to work under the supervision of someone who was previously their subordinate.